Good evening from the TN Gardener. Thought we'd do a little front porch sitting tonight. I think at the first of the videos when I first come into this, the way I'm Cindy and he's Brett, I said something about learning how to garden, and we were just discussing some things I learned this year. First thing I learned is label everything, especially when you have more than one person doing it. He's used to doing this gardening thing by himself, so he knew where everything was, and
I thought so.
I got to moving things around, trying to be helpful. Yeah, we got some stuff mixed up a little bit. I think that's how the hot pepper got planted with the bell pepper. Second lesson I've learned: hot pepper, bell pepper, make good hot bell pepper.
We've made our own version of bell pepper now.
They have
We've
a little
got
heat.
hot bell pepper. What is the big pepper we got out there? The
Bertha's.
The Big Bertha. We now have hot Big Bertha peppers.
I found out.
And regular peppers, it's hot. And jalapenos, it's hot.
I found out when I started cutting them. Kept wondering why I kept getting on fire. I knew I wasn't cutting the hot peppers. And then it hit me. It had to be the bell peppers.
I kept all the pepper plants in the same flats. And when I started them out in 6-packs. And when they got big enough, I moved them to 3-inch cups. And we didn't make enough labels for the 3-inch cups, so we just kind of kept them together, the 6 with one label. And somewhere down the line, there's a couple of jalapenos wound up into the bell pepper batch. So now they're intertwined in the garden, and they're growing right next to one another, and everything's hot with a hot jalapeno in the middle of it. They'll burn your hands, they'll burn your face if you touch your face after cutting them.
And I learned something else too.
Eyes, anything else you touch.
Well, see, I did wear gloves this last time because I got about determined that bell peppers were burning it up. I did learn something else. Don't mess with your cell phone, even if you're wearing rubber gloves.
Don't answer the cell phone unless you take the gloves off and wash your hands.
Because the juices will transfer to the cell phone. And it took me forever to figure out why my face kept burning. I thought I washed my hands, and I realized I didn't clean my phone. Finally saw a thin film of something on my phone. I went, no wonder. Yeah, not good.
I had bell peppers in my lunch today. I cooked squash and zucchini and bell pepper and onion. Normally I put jalapenos in it, but I didn't need no jalapenos today in it. I carried some extra ones to eat raw, but it was quite warm without them. It was really warm and I tried to eat one with it. It made a good meal. I ate it anyway.
Whoa!
Now you gotta watch the hummingbirds. Maybe we won't get run over or stabbed here.
That was coming right for us.
We have 8 hummingbirds now?
8 or 10, yeah.
I know I counted 7 and 8. I didn't know if there's any more or not.
Well, they're getting to where they fly so fast I can't keep up if I'm counting the same one over and over.
We lost a feeder, so now they're all having to fight over one again.
Yeah,
We gotta go buy another feeder. I filled it up and the little rope broke and it hit the ground and it didn't survive. They're the $3 feeders. So.
Yeah. We'll go get us another, and I think they actually have that on sale. Well, sale might have gone off already. But it's getting kind of the end of the season, so they'll be doing all that stuff on clearance for long.
Of course, it rained again this afternoon. It came what looked like it was going to be a really bad storm. It actually didn't rain that hard for once. We actually got a decent, slower rain, I would say, and we'd call it a slow rain, but it wasn't near as aggressive as the last couple of storms. Everything actually got watered pretty well. I've redone the bean rolls. I've added the bean roll. I've reworked the beets. They was missing several from the last flood. So we put in a couple of sweet potato plants. Added some more potatoes to the fall potatoes. Things are starting to fill up again. We've got squash growing. You can't see it. It's actually out here on the porch with me at my feet. But I've got more squash and zucchini growing. We're going to try to build up for a really good fall garden again.
You know, I got to think about something, Jay. I was about ready for the garden to run out because I was running out of places to put stuff. Then it hit me. I think the garden's going to run out if you keep planting stuff.
Like I said in the about file on my channel, we start early and we stay late.
Pretty sun.
We garden till the winter runs us in the house.
I love when the sun peeks through the clouds. That's beautiful.
Okay, the hummingbird's trying to get around the camera.
We may get up close to the hummingbird here in a minute.
I'm going to here in a minute. I just hope it's the camera and not my head or your head. That little sharp beak be rough.
I'm watching the sunset.
We are going to increase the amount of time on the garden because you agreed to let us build a hothouse.
Oh, yes.
Lord willing, and the money is there, we're going to build a hothouse this fall. Turn the small garden into a hotbed. Grow stuff into absolute freezing ground weather, I guess.
I'm still trying to figure out what in the world you can plant that rids mosquitoes. But all this rain has brought the mosquitoes in here. Whew, they're rough. They're huge.
Well fed.
I mean, I'm gourmet buffet for them. That's a pretty sunset.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to try to make another video in the morning. Hopefully we'll get it made. About training your okra. Maybe we'll get it done. Are you heading the Dodge over here?
Yeah. I feel like they're about to go over my head. I'm waiting for the whoosh.
At least it hadn't lined up with your head or your nose yet.
I'm glad.
Looks you eyeball to eyeball.
Mm.
We need to do some more videos over our trees too.
Yeah.
We got a lot of bushes and trees people don't even know we have. I done the Rona berry the other day. I need to do some more of them. I was just sitting here looking at we've got two hazelnut trees in the front yard. One American, the other one's Barcelona. I'm not sure if I don't see something growing on the Barcelona this year. It bloomed, acted like it was going to put on hazelnuts, but I never did see anything come from it, but it's starting to put something on again. So.
What'd you call this plant here on the corner?
It's cranberry.
Want one?
No.
They're nice and red. I saw that today.
Yeah, we made the mistake of getting the wrong cranberry bush. It's got all kinds of pretty red cranberries on it.
They're beautiful. Nasty as all get out, but beautiful.
It is the worst tasting berry you've ever tried to eat. The temperature has dropped today, thank goodness.
Oh, yes.
It's actually in the 70s this afternoon. It's usually in the 80s till you go to bed, or around 80 anyway before you go to bed.
It was mid-80 yesterday.
Sun's shining, it's still in the 70s this afternoon. That's hard to think about after being so hot for so many days. Humidity ain't bad today, after it rained. Another video we got to build a front door, or screen door for the front of the house, for the front door. I've been talking to somebody about that, and they told me I need to make a video of it, so we're going to build us a homemade screen door. We've got one at the back I ain't never showed, but probably need to put it on the camera sometime or another.
Yeah, we threw that together one afternoon because I got tired of all the critters, flies and everything flying in the house every time you open the back door.
This will be a unique door, though. It'll be different than a lot of pickles.
It'll be a one of a kind.
We'll just leave it at that. It'll be an interesting video to make and to watch.
Be fun.
Mm.
Well, let's say one of the other things I learned about gardening this year is a lot harder than I thought it was. Time consuming. I knew putting the stuff up was time consuming. I never realized just how time consuming growing it could be.
Things change when it gets hot too. People don't come outside near as much when it gets hot.
No.
People don't stay as long. Including me sometimes. I just get too much of it and I have to go.
I can't handle the heat no more. Takes my breath too much. Makes it hard to breathe. Heat index is 110. It's a little hard to breathe on me. You know, I got a little insulation.
We've seen 110, 113, 115 one day.
Mm-hmm. But you know what they say about Tennessee weather?
Don't like the weather, give it a few minutes.
It'll change. We have had all 4 seasons one time in a 24-hour span.
Gotta get back on the walkway of the gazebo too. We haven't finished that yet. We gotta make a video of that one.
Yeah, we gotta go get more creek,
Get some mortar mix.
mortar, whatever they call that stuff.
Lay a few rocks.
Yeah, because I really need to finish shoveling that route and get all those weeds out from where the rocks have been piled. I'm beginning to
Be
think
nice.
the weeds are growing through the rocks.
Be nice to have the rocks to walk on.
Yeah. Get them all put out, decorated out.
She did say I'm the king of undone jobs. So.
No, I'm your queen. What can I say?
Glad you got to join us. Like and subscribe. God bless.